So, getting ready to start a project bike here, and we're gonna drop a block in this thing in a minute. And it's more than just a block, but it's gonna be a surprise when we get around to putting this on. Now, this is a just a rigid frame. Got, I believe, 34 degrees of rake in it. Haven't really checked it for sure. But this is a 2022 Street Bob front end that we're gonna run on this. So, hang on a minute, and we're gonna drop a motor in and let you see what we're putting in this thing.
I'm gonna push that in that other bike. Flip it around right there, take them bolts out, I'll pick it up.
Then I'm gonna. Okay.
Ready?
And you guys watch the top studs. Make sure we don't bang the frame.
Hold on, it's on my hand.
Got your hand up?
Yep.
Okay.
Real close.
Oh, that rag's come off.
Yeah.
That's all right.
I
We're
would,
gonna lift it and pull the rags anyway.
I'm gonna lift one for Rick.
Here we go.
Right on the hole.
A little bit right there. You want to get some dummy bolts running? See if we can just drop a couple in so it doesn't shift. Yeah.
maybe put one over on this side.
Yeah, you can get one in.
See that one. Yep, I want it right in. You gonna put a nut on it, or do you just want them in there?
No, we're just gonna, I just want those bolts to keep the motor from shifting.
Right. Well, I guess there's plenty of room in there.
So this is an 80-inch Shovelhead motor. Came out of an old FLT, 1980 FLT. So it's an 80-80. And I'm waiting on gaskets for the rocker boxes. We polished the rocker boxes for this. And the nose cone, because they were the old style cast that you would get in an FLT. The good thing about an FLT shovel is this has a G-grind cam in it, which is a pretty good sized cam for a shovel head, and they put bigger cams in them for the bigger dressers. Of course, we're putting this in a little bobber, so it's gonna be a good motor for that. This is from the original primary. The reason I left it on there was so we could guide it in easily without messing with the splines. And this goes with that primary. Unfortunately, we can't use that primary for this bike because it's getting a 4-speed in it. The primary that was with it would have been an FLT with a 5-speed transmission, and can't run that because of the bobber style frame, you know, soft tails, rigid soft tail, all of them have the down tube in it. So, but I want to get the rotor back on this engine, and that's this will be set up tomorrow. We're probably going to put some risers on this, handlebars, the brake setup. I got to find a narrow glide wheel. This being a 2022 front end, it's only 5.5 or 5.25 inches between these 54 millimeter tubes, so a wide glide wheel won't fit in it. I got to put a narrow glide wheel in it, and it has to take the 25 millimeter bushing or bearings because the axle size on this front end is 25 millimeters, so it's got to be a newer style, narrow glide style wheel. And but that's all going to be coming up. Be sure and check back with us, like and subscribe, and you can watch the Shovelhead build we're working on right now. Hopefully we'll have it ready for some shows here in a few months. course, we run a full-fledged shop here, so we don't get much time to work on projects, but that's about to change. We're getting ready to just do a lot of custom stuff, new builds, that kind of stuff. And here in a minute, I'll show you one of our new builds, the Blackbird MSR 71. And stay tuned if you want to catch some more Shovelhead stuff. So here are the rocker boxes that are going to go on that motor. Had to put new lifters in it. I've got new adjustable push rods for it. And more than likely, we may just keep the points in it, but I think what I'm going to do is do a double breaker plate and do dual points if I can find a set of dual plug heads, but we're probably just going to put this together the way it is. But it's going to be a pretty build. Say hi to everybody, Ryan.
Hi, everybody.
Joey.
Hi, everybody.
Everybody meet the crew. These guys are going to be, they've been here filming with us and hanging out, and you'll see them from time to time working on stuff, but it's going to look good. It's going to be a cool little ride. I really like this big tube 54 millimeter front end though. It's going to look cool on an old shovel. So we'll get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.